Ladies and gentlemen, today we are making the best Mexican dish, which is carne asada, and the most best part we are making in our fry pan. So let's go straight into the video. For carne asada, I have sirloin steak flap. So I have two flaps. As you guys can see, they are thin flaps. So we will put the flaps right in our marination bowl. So here are the two big flaps. Okay, the first ingredient, we are putting cilantro in there. So this is chopped cilantro. It's gonna go all on top of our steak. Then friends, we will add 2 spoons of brown sugar, add 1 whole spoon of black pepper, half spoon of salt, squeeze a lemon in there as well. Not the seeds, just the juice. So fresh lemon has much better taste. Okay, I'm holding on the seeds. Okay, so the fresh lemon part is being done. We will add some oil in there. I would say at least 6 to 7 tablespoons. Adding some soy sauce, I would say at least 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. So now is the best part. We will massage everything up. And as you guys can see how beautiful color is forming up. The cilantro, the brown sugar, the salt and the black pepper. And we will marinate this steak at least for 1 to 4 hours in the fridge. If you guys have 4 hours, it's much better. If you guys have 1 hour, I would say minimum time is 1 hour. Just make sure all the seasoning touches the meat part. We will put this marination in the fridge. So it's been couple of hours. Let's go move towards our pan. So here I have a pan, and this is my whole setup. So here we will take our whole flap and put it just right on top, and we will take the next one and we will put it right next to it. And now guys, it's the waiting game. We will fry each side 5 minutes. So we will wait 5 minutes. Another part I'm gonna show you guys. Cover it with the lid, so all the steam, all the moisture stays in your meat. So here it's been couple minutes. I wanna remove the lid, and if you guys can see the juices, so the first initial juices, they stayed in. As you guys can see, the char, the beautiful char is coming right on top. So I want to make it a little bit spicy. So here in this our marination, we will add some chili powder, and we will take a brush, mix it, and we will just paint our steak right on top. So here we will flip the side. This one too. Brush with some chili powder. The marination, it has the chili powder now. So as you guys saw, I have flipped the side. So for the initial 2-3 minutes, I will just cover it with the lid on top so the juices stay in. After 2-3 minutes, we will just remove the lid and cook it without the lid. So this is the initial after 3 minutes. Wow, the char is yum. So we will wait at least for next 2-3 minutes and after then guys we will just take it out. This is so tender, I mean if I pick it up from here I'm scared it's gonna break itself. Okay, much better. So here we will give a last flip. Wow, the juices are yum. And the char, you see the char right on top? This is the whole thing. This is the main thing. So here you go, last flip on this side, and after 2 minutes we will take out our steak and we will serve it. Okay, so our delicious carne asada is ready guys. I'm gonna serve it just right on the chopping board. And here we go. It's all beautifully done. But guys, so the moment of truth. Here you go. As you can see how deliciously it's done. And it's fully cooked. Soft, juicy, yummy. Perfectly done. Fresh cilantro right on top, and it looks more appetizing, just like that. It has more fresh touch to it, and I added lemon with it, so you can squeeze a lemon just like that right on top. Guys, how delicious is this? If you guys can see, the juices are coming out. Wow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This recipe is so delicious. You have to try this recipe. It's very easy. Make it in your pan or make it on the grill. I showed you the way how to make it in the pan. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Subscribe the channel, like the video, leave your comment and leave your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye now.